This conference fills me with hope for the future of food and farming in Wales. It's full of all sorts of people, all sorts of ages, having really constructive and inspirational conversations, and that's what we need for the future.
It's been really fantastic to be here. I've really seen people celebrating the achievements that they've made through being innovative and being determined. We can really bring those food and farming communities together with the food partnerships and see where those connections and new conversations take us.
Dwi'n meddwl bod digwyddiad fel yma'n bwysig iawn, mae bwyd yn mae'n cyffwrdd â sawl agwedd yn bywydau ni, iechyd, cymdeithas wledig, yr economi, diwylliant a iaith Gymraeg, wedyn so mae cael pobl sydd yn ymddiddori ac yn brwd dros y maes at ei gilydd yn bwysig iawn er mwyn gwneud system fwyd yn rhywbeth allu wella bywyd pawb.
My highlight's been hearing about all the amazing work that's going on in Wales. I feel like very proud to be part of the food partnership movement, and I think, yeah, very proud of what we're doing here in Wales.
It has been wonderful to see the energy and the action taking place right across Wales to improve our food system for future generations.
Dyna ni am eleni. 2 days of positive conversations about food and farming in Wales. Welwn ni chi blwyddyn nesaf.